Are you feeling it? We sure have a lot of acronyms to describe it. VUCA, RUPT, and my personal favorite, TUNA. One thing is certain in these deeply uncertain times. You'll need to communicate with absolute precision if you want to guide your colleagues, your teams, and your business through this wildly unpredictable landscape. As a veteran of the power of persuasion, you know that if you're looking for precision and clarity, you turn to the Powerbite. We've developed a brand new workshop that will help you bring even greater situational focus to your Powerbites and take your Powerbites to the next level. In Next Level Powerbites, you'll master 4 Powerbites purpose-built to tackle specific use cases you face and help you raise your voice above the uncertainty. There's the Blueprint Powerbite. You can't afford to squander a one-to-one with the right person at the right time by not mapping out the meeting. The Blueprint Powerbite will help you clarify meeting goals and the key points that you will land in order to achieve those goals. There's the Navigator Powerbite. You'll only add to the confusion if you present confusing slides confusingly. The Navigator Powerbite will help you guide your audience through complicated, challenging slides. Or you can start with the Powerbite and build a slide around it, creating an Illustrator Powerbite. And lastly, the people with whom you must collaborate have questions. When you respond to those questions with an unprepared, unpracticed, hot mess, you only obliterate the wisdom you just offered. Use the No Detours Powerbite to help keep yourself and your meeting on track when you address challenging questions. In times like these, every enterprise is thankful to have resolute leaders who light the way with impeccable communication skills. It's time to step to the front of the room. Click on the link below to learn more.